molded down, the first thing you do is put your dog into your sit on your left side. Come on, Champ. Champ, sit. Then you take his collar right back here, sweep his legs under. Down. At this point, since we've done it enough, I'd like him to feel a little bit more melty, but we've done it enough now that I'm going to say down when his belly hits the floor, and then I pet him 5 times down the back. Break. Show you again. Champ. So I use when Champ decides he's just going to lie there, I use this to do the here command too. Champ, here. Now, sit. Let's go. Sit. Hand on the collar, feet sweep under, down. Good, good Champ. Okay.